Nerd on Crypto here. Want to give you a quick video because a lot of people are having trouble buying the MIL token. And if you haven't bought it before, you can use this tutorial. But if you have and you're running into trouble on the Trust Wallet with the little browser button, if you have an iOS, iPhone, then you're running into some problems. I don't have that problem, so you're going to see both ways that it's done. But either way, MIL token, I mean, it's a charity token, but it has more utility coming up, so stay tuned for that. But look, I'm a disabled veteran, OEF, OIF, alumni, as it says on this shirt, but I'm a veteran of both Afghanistan and Iraq, and I am disabled, but I don't need charity. But the only charity I want from you, really listen hard to this, the only charity I want from you is to click that like button. Do it now on the way in. Click that like button, click the subscribe button, because what you're doing is you're telling the algorithms to send this video out to more people just like you that need to see this type of content here. So that is me in the background of one of my deployments, but let's get to what you're really here for, which is learning how to buy more MIL or even sell it. What if you're running into problems and you need to sell? I don't advise selling. We want to hodl this at least as long as possible because there's a lot coming out. It's a brand new token. Either way, I'm going to show you how we, number one, need to download Chrome on your phone. Number two, how you're going to connect Chrome to PancakeSwap. Then number three, how you're going to use PancakeSwap within Chrome, because you could have the Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap already in your phone, but running into these issues. So this is the workaround. Then again, remember, after we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how to bring in the BNB into your Trust Wallet on your phone, so on and so forth. Here we go. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is, if you haven't already, you're going to need to download Chrome. Go to your app store, get Chrome. So once it's in there, go ahead and click on the app, and now you're going to go to Google. Obviously, it's Google Chrome, so that's going to be the search engine you're using. So go ahead and type in pancakeswap.finance. So once you're in PancakeSwap, do not click on connect. I'll tell you why in a moment, but you're not going to click on connect there. Instead, you're going to come over here, click on this menu area right here on the top left. So clicking menu, then just below home, you see the word trade with a drop down. Click on trade. Now at the top of that drop down, you have exchange. Clicked on exchange, boom. Now here's where you want to click connect. So you go ahead and you click connect, but you're not going to click Trust Wallet yet. So not Trust Wallet here. Instead, we're going to click Wallet Connect. Clicked, and now here, this is where you're going to click Trust right there next to Rainbow. Let's click on that Trust. Now it's moving us into Trust Wallet. So mine says status online. There's typically a button for you to click on down here so that you can get it connected. There's also up here, you have your browser, you have Chrome up there. So you don't want to click cancel. You usually click on the browser up there, but since I'm recording my screen, it's not going to work out for you to do it that way. So you can see right here on this screenshot that you click connect on the bottom, and then on the top left, you're going to click Chrome. It's going to take you back to Chrome. You do not want to click that cancel button, because if you click that cancel button, it's just going to send you right back to the site for connecting to PancakeSwap. That's not where you want to go. All right, so here we are. You've gone back to Chrome after you connected it, and now your wallet is connected. You see on the top right, you have your address for your PancakeSwap, and we have BNB. So this is assuming that you already have your BNB on Smart Chain. So we're going to click here, we're going to say 1 BNB, we're going to send it to which currency? Well, MIL is not showing there. So how do we do this? See the 2 on the bottom there? I already have the site open. We have BSC scan. BSC scan, make sure you look for Military.Finance token. Go down here to the contract. Notice my contract, 0xF501. Ends over here 9DE1C with some dots. You're going to click those 2 little papers on the right, and there you have copied shows up. Make sure that copied shows up. Click the number 2 at the bottom again. Your number might be different if you have more tabs open. I only have 2 tabs. Alright, so now we're back to PancakeSwap. Select currency. put the contract address that we just copied from BSC scan. It's in there now. Scroll up a little bit, import. Now it's in there. There's the warning. I understand. Import. Boom. Swap. Confirm swap. And now it's gone through. So now we're going to come back and we're going to go through actual Trust Wallet and what happens if you don't need to go through all of these steps. This is if you have an iOS again and it's an iPhone and the steps that you have to go through if they took the little browser away from your screen. Alright, so now we're getting into our Trust Wallet itself in the iPhone, iOS, could be an Android or anything like that. And you'll see that my phone still at the bottom shows wallet on the left, then browser, then Dex, then settings. So browser, it's what's missing for some reason with a lot of people on their iPhones and iOS. So if you want to swap tokens, first of all, let's say you're bringing in some BNB from somewhere else. You're bringing it from Binance. You want to click over here, receive, click Trust Wallet, really click anywhere on this QR code. Click on the address, you see bottom, address copied. There's no memo required incoming. Be very careful if you're gonna send this out to another wallet, like to Binance.us. They will require you to have the memo in there when you're going into those. But when you're coming into this one, no memo is required. And so you'll go into that exchange and you'll send the money out. You'll go into that exchange and you'll send those tokens out into this one. So now the money's here. What you want to do is you click more. Just under BNB, you've got the 4 icons, copy, then the 3 dots, more. You have stake, unstake, trade BNB, swap to smart chain. You could do trade BNB. You do trade BNB and then you can swap to smart chain, but you just like that's one extra click that you don't have to do. So you click more and then swap to smart chain directly to it. You can click here, 100% of them. Click the swap button and it'll exchange it. Now, I like to keep, I like to keep some kind of a small balance in here. Even if I was gonna take 5 of my smart chain BNB and swap it into something else, I'll leave that 0.178 because I ran into problems staking BNB and trying to unstake. When I went to unstake, if I didn't have enough BNB or smart chain BNB, which is, it's very small amounts, but if you don't have it there, you can't unstake. So frustrating. So going back to what we need to do, once your money's in smart chain, you have it there, click on browse. If you have that browse button and the URL up here, you can type in pancakeswap.finance, or if you have it in your history like me, you just click on it and now it's the same place that we saw before, but we were looking at it in Google Chrome. Now we're looking at it directly on Trust Wallet. Notice at the very top left, this is very important, you have to have the smart chain clicked. Not Ethereum, you can't have, this is not an ERC token, these are BEP tokens. So you have to have the Binance smart chain on there. So here's where you'll click the one, and you notice this is the Binance smart chain because of the black in the logo, and then down here select currency. So unlike in Chrome where I didn't have the MIL address in there, I do have the MIL address already in here. So you can go and you can click swap, go through the steps. You might need to change your slippage if you're getting errors in there. At least 11% slippage rate. You see mine is 15% because sometimes even the 11% doesn't work. The slippage is just that the changes in the price, the fluctuations, it might not be the same numbers that you have written there, so you're giving it some room to slip. But that's pretty much it for showing you this screen. Thank you guys for taking the time to look through all that. I hope it helps you out. I hope you're successful now in buying your MIL and you hold it, because it's really going to help a lot of people, including ourselves. I mean, we're investing in this now. Thank you so much again, and please, if you didn't already, click the like, click the subscribe button. By doing that, you're telling the algorithm to send this out to more people just like you. Not only you're supporting my channel. I really want, I know it's a young channel, but support the channel anyway, because there's going to be a lot more videos on MIL about all these things that you want to know. So go ahead and subscribe. The Nerd on Crypto out.